Hi, this is Kyra, and today I'm going to be showing you what cool stuff you can get for your cat and dog and any other animals for Christmas. So the first thing is for your dog, you can get them like chew toys. That's what they do, they love to chew. I got this for my dog for Christmas. It's the 1st of December tomorrow, so we went out to my mum got this, and also we get them every year, but my mum also got both of these for the dog one. You can write to whoever and from. You get like a little toy born, a Christmas tree treat. You get some chocolate drops for your dog, and you get some turkey and cranberry flavour buns. So that's what you can get for your dog. You can get these from B&M, and also you can get cat ones. We've got 2 toys there. We've got some catnip. We've got some milk drops, and we've got some catnip drops. So we get these every year for our cat and dog and stuff. We always buy them presents, we don't leave them out. And also the little bone squeak. So if you have any animals like fish, hamsters, treat them at Christmas. Fish just like a new thing for the tank. Hamsters something special to eat or something. They do these in a lot of. They do have the animal stockings for different animals. But since we have a cat and dog, we've got a cat and dog. So I hope you all have a nice Christmas. Bye.